What is up, guys? Officer Dev here, back with another video. Today I will be teaching you how to download car packs. This is not a good car pack. Sorry, I have not posted a video in a long time. I'm just trying to get everything up. So, if you want to install a vehicle model, just go to Vehicle Models. Well, actually, I won't be off here. We're going to install the California Highway Patrol Mega Pack. And I'm going to teach you how to install Sirens. Going to install Sirens and ELS, so ELS PD4. Basically, I'll be posting all the links in the description, so you don't have to search any of this. I'll load up these. We'll also be installing the Siren that goes with it. Okay. Now, you want to, we're going to be installing the emergency lighting system. It's going to download this file. Hit green download and hit download. And it's going to download. Do the 1.05, not the 1.00. That is the old version. Then after that and then that's going to install. Now what you want to do is you want to go to hit download this file again. This is the Siren that we will use. And that's going to install down here. Now install the California Highway Patrol pack. Hit download on that also. Now I don't need this. It's because I'm already going to do that. So basically, oh crap, EOS. Basically, just a second, guys. Now I'm just going to do the EOS. I'm just going to bring that down there. Okay. Good with that? Now, basically what you want to do, after that, you need to install OpenIV. So basically, you're going to have to pull this right back up. So basically what you want to do is you want to go OpenIV, download now, and then you have to run the setup and stuff. I'm not going to go that for you, but I'll tell you every single thing how to download OpenIV. So basically what you want to do is download that file right here. It's going to load up down there. And you want to, after sorry about that, but after it completes installing, you want to open the zip file and you want to hit run. And that's going to stay next, install. And then basically, you need it to go to your GTA 5 pathway once you're done installing it. So you want to hit this right here. Hit your OpenIV. Hit it. And this will come up. Hit Windows right here. And you're going to have to locate your GTA 5 main directory and stuff like that. After you've done that, want to go here. Now, you want to select Asi Manager. After this, you want to select Asi Manager. It is going to bring down this. You would have to install these three. I've already installed that. So basically, the first thing you want to do is you want to open your main directory. Open your right here, like go to your GTA 5 main directory. Scroll down to this buffer zone. Open this. Go to not the documentation. Go to the installation GTA 5. You want to bring all these four and bring it in to your main directory. Now, we are done. We are done with EOS. You can delete that file. Next up, you want to bring out your car pack. I have it right there, but you need to bring that out to your desktop. And then bring your Siren, CHP Siren, right here. Oh. Now, the next video, I will be showing you how to install EUP, which is the uniforms. You need to do that for patrols. So basically, open this up. Now we're going to do the vehicles first. There you go. Now you want to go to mods, update, times 64, data. Wait, no, not data. DCL packs, patch day 20 NG, DLC.rpf. I got that. Do not show that again. Close. So go to, times 64 levels, GTA 5, vehicles.rpf. Right here. Basically, installing your vehicles will replace your, it'll replace your vehicles. It'll replace your vehicles. The vanilla cars, you don't want those. So basically, highlight these three files, highlight everything except the sheriff text and the two dots. Bring that out to your edit mode must be on. Bring that the sheriff, drag it, and drop it. Then, this, same thing, FBI. And you just want to highlight these, drag it, drop it. Accept the text. That's the expedition, I believe. Isn't it? Yeah, that's it. And then you want to just go here and keep installing these things right here. Just keep. "15, Police 2, 16 right there. Now, you have successfully installed your vehicles, but there is one more thing before you delete it. Now, must install. Now, what is hit update? Update RPF. Common data game config. Just a second, guys. I will see y'all guys when. Sorry about that, everyone. So basically, you want to bring this game config. Want to move it over. Now, the second one, game config.xml. It'll say. It won't say encrypted. It'll just say compressed. That means you have installed the vehicles correctly. Now, you exit that out. Now, open up your CHP Siren. Listen to me closely. But before we get on this, go to favorites. Well, go back to your vehicle DLC.rpf, levels, GTA 5, vehicles.rpf. Make sure you add to favorites this vehicles.rpf. It's because it'll save you a lot of time than every time just going clicking in here. Now we are going to be installing the sirens. Click mods. Again, click mods. Times 64, not update. Times 64. Go to audio. SFX. Go down here till you see resident.rpf. Click that. And here you go. Now you want to click favorites, add to favorites, resident.rpf. This is where you install your sirens, taser sounds, your weapon sounds, your vehicle sounds. All of this will be in here. Now, click on that CHP siren. Wow, no. Get this siren right here. Bring this folder out to your desktop. We are done with the package. We're done with the pack. We're done with this. So basically, I'm going to just put this back in my sirens. Anyway, we are not done with OpenIV yet. Now what you want to do, create a new folder on your desktop. This is the reason why I'm doing this. Name it like Old Siren or OS Original Siren or whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to call it OS for Old Siren or Original Siren. Now what you want to do is you want to go left click on vehicles.awc, then right click. Make sure edit mode is on. Go to export to open formats. And then go to desktop. Click on the OS select folder. And as you can see, there are that little paper thing in the OS file. Now what you want to do, left click, right into this white zone, buffer zone. Click import open formats. Click on vehicles.oac, double click that or say next, and then hit OK. Your vehicles are installed and your siren. Alright guys, that will be at the end of the video. That will be at the end of today's video. I hope you had a nice day today, and I will see y'all guys in. Now, I cannot go in the game with you. How to spawn these, you would just go in the police station to spawn them, or hit your console key, which is F4 or whatever key you changed it to, and hit spawn, and then police, and then test all the vehicles out. Alright guys, that will be the end of today's video. Now the links will be in the description. Alright guys, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I will see you guys inside of the next video.